Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be discussing one of the key deliverables of software testing process, which is the test plan. So let's get started. Software testing plays a major role in the software development process. Inadequate test planning can place an entire project's success at risk. The software test planning process includes organizing the test activities, identifying the resources, and assigning responsibilities to them. You also need to list the test procedures, strategy, schedule, and deliverables in the planning stage. You use the test plan document as a tool to plan the test process for the software. In the software test plan document, you describe the objectives, scope, approach, and focus of a software testing process. A test plan also identifies the test environment, the design techniques, and identifies any risk involved in testing. Using the test plan, you can then communicate the test details to all the members of a project team. It helps them to identify the test items, the testing task, and their responsibilities. You plan a test in the early stages of a test project. However, as the project progresses, you can update your test plan according to the changes and requirements of the project. The IEEE 829 standard for software test documentation provides a standard test plan template containing 16 sections. They are the test plan identifier. You can use the test plan identifier section to provide a unique number that identifies the current version of the test plan. Introduction. In the introduction section, you can include the project scope description to identify the key features of the project. Test items. You can list the items that need to be tested in the test items section. The section also includes references to the design and requirement specifications. Next important section is features to be tested. You can include a list of product features that would be in scope for testing. You can include these features in this section in the test plan so that they can be tested. Similar to features to be tested, the next section is features not to be tested. In this section, you can include information about the features that do not require testing and provide reasons for their exclusion. Testing approach. The testing approach or strategy is the most important section of a test plan. You include well-defined information regarding the test approach and identify factors that may affect the testing in this section. Pass-fail criteria. You can add the pass-fail criteria of test items based on the number and severity of errors and the locations in the product under testing. Suspension and assumption criteria. You can include information regarding the suspension and assumption criteria when you suspend or restart the testing process. For example, you can suspend the testing process when the task or the testing environment are incomplete. The next important section is test deliverables. In the test deliverables section, you can provide a list of all the documents, tools, and components to be developed for the testing effort. Some test deliverables are test design specifications, test cases, test management tool, test reports, etc. Test task. You can identify a set of tasks required for planning and performing a test in the test task section. The test task section can also include details about the inter-task dependency and the skills required to perform the test. Environmental needs. You can include the testing environment requirements such as hardware, software, interfaces, and security access in the environmental needs section. Roles and responsibilities. To specify the responsibilities of people involved in the test and the tasks they perform, you use the roles and responsibilities section. Next is staffing and training needs. You choose the test staff and train them based on the skills required for a particular testing process. In the staffing and training needs section, you can list the skill requirements and the training required for them on the testing methodology adopted. Schedule. You include key milestones of the test project plan, such as document delivery dates and the available resources in the schedule section. Risk and contingencies. You can list project risk such as budget and resource availability and contingency plans associated with this risk in the risk and contingencies section. And lastly, approvals. Using the approvals section, you collect the signature of those who are responsible for final approval. These individuals possess the authority to accept or reject the test plan document. The test plan ensures that the software must not contain critical defects and is capable of completing a task within the specified time. Test planning is the most prominent phase in any test project. A test plan lists all the tasks and key areas in a test along with the estimated test effort. You can use the test plan when you develop, implement, and maintain the software. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you found this useful. And please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more contents like this. Till then, happy testing.